What's up, everyone? Today we're talking about the iOS 18 update. If you're not seeing it on your iPhone, don't worry. I've got you covered. Let's quickly go over how to fix this and get your device updated. First, manually check if the update is available. Go to Settings, tap General, and select Software Update. If iOS 18 doesn't show up right away, don't stress. We've got other ways to solve this. Next, try turning off automatic updates for a faster download. Head to Settings then, General, then Software Update, and then Automatic Updates. Turn off both Download iOS Updates and Install iOS Updates. This can help speed things up. If you're still not seeing the update, it could be a network issue. Here's what to do. Go to Settings then, General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset, and then finally Reset Network Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete any personal data, it only resets your network settings. Still no update? Try restarting your device. Sometimes a quick reboot can fix glitches that block the update. Just power off your iPhone, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Check for the update again after that. And that's it! By following these steps, you should be able to download iOS 18 in no time.